So we have reached the last slide, and as I said, we have left one question to discuss. So we'll move back. Yeah, this concept of delayed journey. In this question, a train is moving at the speed of 60 kilometers per hour with and reaches the distance and is late by 30 minutes. The speed, if the speed of the train would have been 75 kilometers per hour, which it would have reached on time. So there is this formula. There is this formula to calculate the distance, which is S1 into S2 into time difference divided by S2 minus S1. This concept, this formula is applicable to calculate the distance when we only know the time at which the train is moving, the time at which, I mean, the speed at which the train is moving and the speed at which the train would have, if would have moved, would have reached on time, and the speed and the time by which the train is late. So 60 into 75, 60 into 75, and as it is late by 30 minutes, as it is late by 30 minutes, so we'll do it 0.5 and 75 minus 60. So to calculate this would be, I'll do it like 30 into 75 upon 15. 15 when divided by, and 75 divided by 15 gives 5. So the distance would be 150 kilometers. So by this, we end today's class. I hope all the concepts were clear. I hope this topic would be clear in your understanding. And I hope if this type of question, if any question from this concept comes in your CLAT exam, you'll be able to crack it. Also, I had to mention while explaining this question, I said I drew a circle and I said that the persons are moving in this way, which is not right. The person in this question, as it has been stated, two runners are on the circular track and respectively after how much time it will meet again at the start. As it is stated that the starting point of the both of them was same, so we will assume that they are moving in the same direction. We'll assume them to be moving in the same direction. I hope everything was clear. Hope you understood everything. So see you in the next class. study well, practice maths daily, and work according to the program, work according to the schedule that which has been provided by the institute. Thank you.